bilasizki, O'zbekiston meva yetishtiruvchi davlat bo'lib hisoblanadi hamda olma mevalarni eng asosiylaridan bo'lib hisoblanadi.
Janob Niko Food Consult kompaniyasida Gollandiyada Niderlandiyada
Loyihamiz Wageningen universitetidagi Food Consult loyihasidan, ya'ni Niko degan mutaxassisni jalb qildik va O'zbekistonda seminar tashkil qildik. Aynan olmani terishdan oldingi hamda terishdan keyingi bo'ladigan ishlar haqida seminar mavzu bo'lib o'tdi.
Fruit growing area, we have a lot of neighbors.
Seminar samaradorligi juda ham ajoyib o'tdi seminarimiz. Juda bir savol-javoblar ko'rdingiz. O'sha juda savol-javob ko'p bo'ldi. Ancha batafsil hamma narsaga javob berildi va eng muhimi juda ham katta narsa tajriba almashildi. Juda ham katta tajribalardi va haqiqatda mutaxassisi zo'r tanlangan mutaxassis, haqiqatda yaxshi mutaxassis, kuchli tajribali mutaxassis bizga juda katta bilimlar ulashdi va tajribalarimizni almashib o'zaro yangi fikrlar, yangi g'oyalar oldik shular.
Majbur bo'lamiz shuni ishlatishga. Men keyin so'radim, organik desam, ha, organik. Bu demak, keyin deydi o'sha mikrostansiyani tarkibida deydi, yomg'irni miqdorini o'lchab boradigan narsa ham bor deydi, o'sha 7 mm yog'i deydi o'sha.
I got a lot of questions and feedback from people from Uzbekistan, and they could explain me several things I didn't know yet about the circumstances, about climate in Uzbekistan. Some things I knew I could teach them, so it was a combination. And I had a lot of information from our research station, our advising company, just details which work everywhere, in every region you have. It's in Western Europe, it's in Armenia, it's in China, it's in Uzbekistan, everywhere. I could give them and they could make pictures of the slides, and they wanted to continue, not to take a break, they wanted to continue. So for me, for sure, they liked it a lot.
He introduced us a lot of things, which is from Netherlands side, which is analysis of soil and some stuff. But it's really good for us because our culture, our mentality, which is not enough good for do the new orchards. If he came every 1 month or 3 months, will be great for the farmers. Farmers will great his mind, and he will do the proper job, and we can get the good apples and a lot of apples. So every 2 months, 3 months, if he came, will be great for our family.
Ularda kelganlar plusi o'sha ular qilgan xatoni bizlarga aytsa, misol uchun bizga aytyapti, doim xatoliklar qanday bo'lgan, yutug'i qanaqa bo'lgan. Shunda xatosini olmaysiz, yutug'ini olasiz. O'shanda bir siz ancha oldinga ketib, ko'proq natijaga erishasiz. Tezroq, osonroq, kam xarajat, kam vaqtda tezroq erishasiz.
I wish all the participants they're already harvesting, but that they have a good selling, so they can do good profit per hectare. They have possibility to invest, and hopefully with the knowledge we can bring from the Netherlands, that they can make a nice new plantage, and it will be with bigger crop and more profitable per hectare, and of course health for all the people.
Shu videoni ko'rib turadigan insonlarga tavsiyam shuki, ilm olishdan to'xtamanglar. Hamda o'zingizlarning ustingizda ishlanglar. Har bir qilayotgan ishinglar bu o'zingizlarga, ya'ni o'zingizlarga qilayotgan investitsiyalar hisoblanadi.